Ever wondered what makes a woman fall for a man? The truth is, there are specific moments when attraction can spark, and if you understand these, you can increase your chances of building a real connection. Today, I'll break down 2 key moments when a woman is most likely to fall for a man. One of the biggest triggers for attraction? A simple compliment. For women who lack confidence, a genuine compliment can be a powerful moment that changes how she sees you. Women with low self-esteem don't hear compliments often. When a man acknowledges her strengths, it can make a lasting impact. She starts associating those positive feelings with you. The key? Be genuine and specific. Instead of saying you're pretty, say your smile makes people feel at ease. Don't overdo it. One well-timed compliment is more powerful than excessive praise. A well-placed compliment can make her start noticing you in a new way. The best moment to get a woman's attention? Right after a breakup. Why? Because she's emotionally vulnerable and looking for something new. Right after a breakup, she's still emotionally tied to her ex. But over time, she starts looking for a fresh start. If you're consistently there, offering comfort and positive energy, she may start seeing you as a potential new partner. The mistake most guys make? Moving in too fast. Give her space at first. Be present without pressure. Let her see your value naturally. If you become the person who helps her move on, you might be the one she falls for next. So if you want to increase your chances of being noticed, remember, compliments can make a woman see you differently. Helping her move on from a breakup can create a strong connection. Have you ever experienced this? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more dating psychology tips. Thank you very much.